Counterbalance forklifts are the workhorses of the material handling industry. Their versatility and reliability make them essential tools for businesses of all sizes. The counterbalance design ensures stability, allowing counterbalance forklifts to handle heavy loads with ease. Their maneuverability and durability make them suitable for a wide range of applications. Counterbalance forklifts are available in various fuel options to cater to different needs. From loading and unloading trucks to stacking pallets, counterbalance forklifts can handle a wide range of tasks. Their versatility makes them an indispensable asset for businesses. Counterbalance forklifts are equipped with safety features to protect operators and equipment. These features include seatbelts, alarms, and stability indicators. Ready to invest in a reliable counterbalance forklift.